Hey, what's up everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a certified pre-owned 2018 GLS 450 4MATIC. This one is a selenite gray metallic. Underneath the hood is a 3-liter V6 twin turbo pushing out 362 horsepower and 369 pounds of torque. This one has 19-inch 5-spoke alloys. The tires are in good condition. Comes with the accessory chrome package, which is going to give you chrome door handle inserts and chrome hood fins. Also included is our lighting package with the active LED headlamps and adaptive high beam assist. This one does have brushed aluminum running boards, black MB-Tex interior, panorama sunroof, third row seating. Coming around back, we've got our GLS 450 4MATIC badging, trailer hitch, set of all season and regular floor mats, fold down third row seats. Come alongside, this one does come with the Premium 1 package, which is going to give you a blind spot assist, Harman Kardon sound system, memory seats, power windows, heated steering wheel. Hopping in, we've got our steering wheel controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, navigation, a rear view backup camera, eucalyptus wood trim, hard keys for a media display, heated seats, dual climate controls, cooled and heated cup holders, touchpad and wheel for our infotainment center. This GLS has 29,846 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this GLS 450, check out feldmannimports.com.